So today I'm going to show you how to make landmines, because who doesn't love a good landmine? So it's really simple. You need the skulk sensor, TNT, TNT mine carts, and a rail. So you can do this in any order you want, or as many TNT mine carts as you want. So look. Nothing big, but just a simple landmine with a slight delay. You can bury these underground if you want. So they could easily kill someone. In fact, I screwed up. Once I'll make another, and let's see how long it takes for it to kill me. I screwed up again. And it's far enough away anyway. So yeah, you never want to place the skulk sensor first, because you saw what happens. You want to sneak away. Now let's go see how effective of a killer it is. Ain't that nice? So yeah, I hope y'all have enjoyed and have a good day.